Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaira, a numerologer, and once again I'm here to navigate and transform your life. And today we have another exciting video. And today we are gonna learn about the Loshu grid and about the 8 planes we have. Yes, about the characteristics of each yoga. And in our last video, we learned about Loshu grid and how to make your own numeroscopes. But before we start, please be ready with a pen and paper. And first, make your own numeroscope. If you don't know about it, you can get the link of the video in the description box below. And you can watch that first. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I need your love. And please don't forget to comment as well. So friends, as you know, in numerology, each number holds special significance for each person, and each number from 1 to 9 is believed to have its own symbolic meaning, and they represent certain energy or vibration that tend to affect a person's life. And with the help of numerology, you can uncover your destiny and your life purpose. So today, here we learn about the quality of each plane in your numeroscope. So firstly, we will talk about the first plane in our Loshu grid, that is the mental plane, which is 492. It is a combination of Rahu, Mars and Moon. These people are intellectual, very intelligent and genius. You can say they have got gifted power. They have great memory power. And once they see anything, they keep in mind forever and they don't forget it. And they are very logical as well. They look for reason everywhere and they are never convinced easily. They always have a question in their mind that why, where, how, when. Once they get satisfied, then only they move ahead. So in brief and short, we can say that their mental capability is superb. They have sharp memory and they are very intelligent. And some real examples are Sonia Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Amit Shah. As you know, they all are very intelligent and sharp. Now our second plane is the emotional plane, that is 357. It's a combination of Jupiter, Mercury and Ketu. These people are golden-hearted people. They are very emotional, spiritual and religious as well. They are soft-spoken people and they are always interested and they always believe in the occult science. They can become a good counselor. They can perform well in education and in health sector. They can become a good coach, doctor. And all the spiritual gurus must have this line in their numeroscope. And because of their emotional nature, they can get disappointment in their life sometimes. They can also have struggle in their marriage life as well. I suggest that they should be aware in their life because they can be cheated very easily. Please be aware. And in short and brief, we can say that their heart rules over their head and they are very emotional and they are a good human being. Some real examples are Sadhguru and B.K. Shivani. They are doing good in spiritualism. So our third plane is the practical plane, which is 816. It's the combination of Saturn, Sun and Venus. These people are visionary, which means दूरदर्शी, आगे की सोचने वाली, and they have practical approach towards anything and they always go into the depth of everything. They are very logical and they never trust anyone easily. They work with their own logic and their own experience. They are materialistic and money-minded. They are very good at financial management. In short, we can say that they are practical and logical and good at finance. Some real examples are Manmohan Singh. As you know, he was the financial minister of India and then the prime minister as well. Now come to the vertical lines. Our next plane is the thought plane, which is the combination of 438. It is Rahu, Jupiter and Saturn. These people are great thinker. It means that their thought process is very strong and they are good creator and they have good imagination power. Their works are organized and well planned. Their visualization power is great. You can say they are prudent. It means that they take decisions very carefully. In short and brief, we can say that with the help of planning, imagination and thought power, they are good decision maker. Some real examples are Subhash Chandra Bose. You can see in the history that his thought power was great. So our next plane is the will plane. It is 951. It's the combination of Mars, Mercury and Sun. It's the symbol of success. These people have very strong willpower and they never get panic in any situations, and they have the capability to conquer their life in any circumstances, and they have great willpower. In short and brief, we can say that they are successful, multitasker and have name and fame with the help of their willpower. Some real examples are our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is a multitasker and has great willpower. And same Mukesh Ambani. He is also a great person with great willpower. Next plane is the action plane, which is 276. It's the combination of Moon, Ketu and Venus. These people are the persons with action. They always have quick approach and they're quick decision maker. And once they have thought anything, they will do that and they won't stop about it. And they're always in a hurry. I suggest them whenever they have to take any decision, so take a pause, think and then make a move, or else there is probability that you will take the wrong decisions. Please be careful about it. And they are conscious for their fitness and they are sports lover. For example, in Sachin Tendulkar's Numeroscope, you'll find this plane, and in most of the sports player, you'll get this plane. Now come to the diagonal lines. Our first diagonal line is 456. It is called the Raj-Yoga. It's the super success plane, and they are the luckiest people in their life who have this plane. It is the 99% possibility for them to get success. They are unstoppable, and God has made you with special capabilities, and you will get everything in life with less effort, and you have name, fame and success in your life. For example, Amir Khan, Sonia Gandhi and Donald Trump, they all have lucks in their life. And now our last line is the Raj-Yoga 2. That's 258. It's the combination of Moon, Mercury and Saturn. Sooner or later, they'll also get success in their life. In any circumstances, they can make their property in an early age. They should invest money in property. You'll get success 100%. For example, Bill Gates. So friends, today we learned about the power of 8 yogas or planes. So now you'll find your strength and weaknesses and explore it, and with the help of this knowledge, transform and change your life. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get more and more new educational videos. And yes, like bhi kar dena na. And please tell me in the comment sections that did you like my video or not. I'll wait for you. So goodbye for now. Meet you in the next video.